Today's video is the next part in the beginner's running program, which consists of a 400-meter run followed by 3 exercises. The first round is 21 reps, burps, butterfly squats, and squat thrusts. Again, followed by a run, and then we'll do 15 of each of the 3 exercises, followed by a 400-meter run, followed by 9 reps of the 3 exercises. This is a one-time through, completing it in a 20-minute time frame. We'll see you guys outside. So for today's workout, we're going to start with a run, 400 meters. So we'll go down and back, and then resume the exercises, the 3 exercises, which are burps, butterfly sit-ups, and squat thrusts. So 21, 15, and 9. We'll start with the run. First round is 21 reps of each exercise. Start with our burps. All right, 21 burps done, 21 butterfly sit-ups. Squat thrusts. And 21. So that's the first round done. Start with another run, 400 meters, and then do 15 of those exercises. So we're at 5 minutes. We've got 15 more minutes to wrap it up. Be right back. All right. Now we're on 15 reps of each. Starting with burps.
She ain't mine, but she look fine. Gonna take some time, gonna make her mine, gonna make her mine. I'm the man, I got the plan. When it hits the fan, do all I can, do all I can.
All right, last exercise for this round, squat thrust. We're at now 10 minutes even.
It's alright, she's in my side. I got all night, so just sit tight, so just sit tight.
rounds of 15 are done. One more round. Next is round of 9 on all 3 exercises. That'll give us 45 total reps of each of the 3 exercises with a 400-meter run in between. Be right back. Alright, another 400-meter run done. It actually seems like they're getting a little bit easier, so that's a good thing. At 13 minutes in, so I'm trying to make sure I do these last few reps as proper as possible. Form is more ideal than number, so starting with 9. Last 9 reps. All right. We're at 16 minutes. So I'm gonna work out for the final 20. It does not call for a last run, but I'm gonna take a quick jog to the end of the block and be back. That should put me at about 20 minutes. Be a good wrap up for today's workout. See you in a second. Yeah, there's our about 18 minutes. And just in time too. Looks like we're starting to get a little bit of snow, which is pretty typical for Utah April. So you probably can't see it very good right now, but it's trying to snow a little bit. It really doesn't feel like it's that cold, but I guess it's cold enough. So catch you guys in a second for some protein. Nice workout, everybody. That workout's done. We did a 400-meter run followed by 3 exercises in a circuit. Started with 21 reps of burps, which is a squat thrust with a push-up. Then we did butterfly sit-ups, followed by squat thrusts. So that was our first round. Then we ran like a madman or a mad woman to the end of the block and back, 400 meters. Proceeded on to the next round, which was sets of 15. So each of those 3 exercises, 15 reps. Then we did our one more run, 400 meters, end of the block and back, and then wrapped things up with 9 reps of each of the exercises. I was feeling a little froggy, so I ran out one more time to the end of the block. Wanted to check to see how easy it's become over the course of this program. And I have to say, it actually, I was not quite as winded as I was the first few times I made that run. So what I'd like to do on the next one is actually run it 4 times, see how quickly I can get down and back. Unfortunately, I don't have a baseline to gauge that off of, but at this point I'd be very curious to see if, you know, I can get a 200-meter run in, 2 minutes or less. So I'll give that a shot, maybe one of these off workout days, test it out and see how that goes. But thanks again for working out with me. I hope you did, and I hope you enjoyed it. Today's protein is, of course, from My Protein. I'm going with chocolate brownie this time because we have an enormous bag. It seems to be a hot flavor here in the house. So when I order it, I usually order the big bag. So it's an 11-pound bag of protein. So if you ever needed a big bag, check out My Protein. They've got some good stuff in large quantities. Thanks again for working out with me. I appreciate it. Thanks for helping me stay accountable to myself. So I appreciate you guys following along. I hope you are participating. Take care, everybody. We'll see you next time.